In this video, I'm going to show you my technical analysis, predictions, forecast, and outlook on RH. RH stock, okay, so as of right now and as of today, we have gone down around 8% and we're sitting at 241. Let's not forget that in this video, I'm also going to use this tool to show you the exact price action which I'm going to expect the price to do. Something like I did in the previous videos like this on BBY, for example. But again, I'm following the rules of my strategy that has been shown to work in the past. You have the credentials for us in the description. And now let's get into the sauce with RH. Let's also not forget that you also have a free course to claim if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using right now. But everything is going to be set down to you in under 3 minutes or so. And let's get right into it. RH is actually in. Let's check out the trend because that's the first confirmation and confluence of the overall strategy. As you can see, I was expecting upside moves previously. It kind of went and tanked for a little bit and then it actually delivered above the high. And then unfortunately, we broke back down here, which again puts us into a bearish trend. We also ultimately have to check out the higher in the broader picture, which is bullish, and that's good, right? That's good. There's a few things that could be happening again. If someone tells you that they know the exact price action in the future of anything, even with RH, stay away from them because they don't know. Nobody knows. That's the thing. Nobody knows the future. This is just my perspective and opinion. This is why I say this is not financial advice because it's not. This is just my perspective. So that being said, what is my expectation? Again, as I mentioned, I promised you that I'm going to use the tool to give you the exact outlook on it. Also, I promise you there's going to be a little bonus for you, quick, like shortly till the end of the video. So I'm expecting something like this. Now we might be pulling back a little bit higher than usual, but expecting these lows to get cleared to then after maybe clear these lows out to ultimately the just mitigate the demand area below and maybe there start to come higher. This is a bonus gem for you because you're this deep into the video. The broader picture is for this looks good. I mentioned it like at the beginning, but my honest thoughts on this is maybe some bearish price action will below the lows before we actually start to rip this thing higher. This might take even 10 years, but this is just my perspective. If you're watching this the past, that was my perspective, 2023. And if you found any value, like the video, it's gonna help me out a ton. Take advantage of claiming the course for free, which you have like to learn the strategy, and also join the weekly newsletter. But I also share weekly, okay, weekly tips worth thousands of dollars for you to actually take your trading to the next level.